Mr. Rabbit. Then you'll see a flyover of the geese. Small group of them. So that was nice.